G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 24, 2023. This is the US Canadian dollar update. You can see here on the daily, the 4 hour and the hourly, we're in an upswing on the daily, on the CCI moving average or the 1500, although the 4 hour is still, the moving average is still declining, but the CCI itself is making some advancements. As per the hourly, it's broken up through the moving average. So pretty much we could probably cautiously take some long trades, but I'll go through each of these to give you some idea how it works. So at the moment on the daily, we're in a CCI is in an upswing on the moving average, and the CCI is broken above the moving average, which is a positive sign. We did draw this support at 13226 and a resistance at 13977. So, and also these two diagonal ascending and descending lines. So you see that little wedge at the moment. It's been that way for the last couple of months, and it looks like it's approaching this descending wedge. So we've got a bit of leeway possibly for long trades. On the 4 hour chart, I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low, and you can see there it's now approaching the 50%, and you can always bounce to the downside at any one of these Fibonacci levels. The key area to look out for is the 61%. If it gets to that point, it could do one of two things. If it could bounce to the downside, like it can do in any one of these areas, or if it breaks through there, then we're looking at potentially further upside and breaking through this diagonal trend line. So at the moment, it's looking positive in terms of long positions. Now on the hourly, we're looking at again, it's broken to the upside, and looking at more closely here, it's approaching this descending trend line. Now it's already leveled out at that same level at what it was at that peak there at 1355, and it may well bounce to the downside, but the CCI is showing some positive bullish movement. So one idea I use is the fractals. I'd be cautiously going long at this point here. So at any one of these levels where it breaks above, where the candle breaks above the fractal, you could go long at that point. There's another area there, and so on when it breaks and the candle breaks above the fractal. And I like taking little percentage gains or little monetary gains that suit your style. I don't like taking long gains if it, entering there, for example, and exiting out there somewhere, because sometimes it's a bit ambitious, doesn't always play out. So I like to take a little incremental gains to take profits. So that's just an idea, and to understand how to trade if the price goes against you, how to trade using the average down approach. Reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like us and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.